We are here for our late brother who was tragically assassinated, I can say, or tragically murdered. By a police officer by the name of Tshepiso Malepane or Malapane. I'm not really sure on the name, but he's currently operating at Dobsonville Police Station. And we are here to collaborate with Operation Tutula just to intensify this case. Namhlanje siyabonga ukuthi nisivakashele. Sine case lana yomngani wethu uLebu. He was brutally murdered by a police officer by the name of Tshepiso Malepane. Behlala la ePimville. So he was murdered in cold blood. They were enjoying a night out as abangani, bajigelana, wamjigela, wabhekisa isibhamu ngakuye. He shot him multiple times bese uyamkhahlela futhi maqeda.
This guy ended up athunya Lebu mohlong momlaleng le mo chest. 3 shots. Then after that he had the decency. Amra mohlong after he just killed him. Aqeda umthunga. Umra mohlong, and then he takes his gun uyisibeka molthong la Lebu. Then after that he goes inside kamochari thing, and then onka school bag umpepisa Lebu school bag ibe nkare Lebogang natlo mropa or something. Ka Lebogang is a criminal.
He was trying to cover up ukuthi amela abangani bakhe laba basesiphoyiseni ukuthi bafike bona ibe ngazathi may look like ngathi maybe bezama ukumbamba inkunzi. It didn't look as if like a homicide. It looked as if maybe it was self-defense for the police officer, which wasn't the case, you know.
And then utubali screen akoloyi, so that Tlobanga Lebu, he doesn't know Lebu is just a criminal who came back to steal everything. So Tuba win screen so Tuba win screen so that it looks like Lebu namtwarapo or Nazamam hijack or something like this. Where else since Batama fella. And on top of that, Nabakala Lokopana. They were not friends. Nabakala Lokopana. They met through a guy Blanc Camuzon 3 about Kopana Koko the grounding for the first time. But Are Lebu went to a police academy. Then he introduced Lebu to this policeman. That's how they got linked together. So they've been together since the whole day.
So umngani wethu Lebu bezama ukumkhuzela ukuthi mfethu ungabuyeli lapha eTavern ubuyela kwakhe kuyo retaliate ukuthi ufuna ukubadubula labantu abamshayile ngoba he arrested a woman wamspanka ibunu. So bamshayile mabemshaya the same police officer yes mabemshaya wabuyela ethatha isibhamu endlini ese-service isibhamu sokuthi avikele abantu ngaso wayosithatha endlini agijimela ukubuyela back to the tavern ngoba vele we've had previous incidents like South Africa of ama-tavern shootings. We were going to experience one if it wasn't for Lebu ezama talking some sense to this guy with him fit. We can't do this. Yes.
Oro wetsatseng hore a tla tlo molaya bohloka kana motho na mkhalimela hore mfethu uska lwantana le mphakathi because utlo limala wena. The next thing wamjikela wamthuna for what? For aim.
From what I heard, Laban Laba Bay community, when I went to them on Wednesday, they told me that the first police to get to the scene were the ones from Eldos. And then afterwards, Kliptown police came. So I would like to believe because the case was opened at Kliptown, then Isdumbu was taken by Amapoisas at Kliptown. So most information we need to get it from Amapoisas at Kliptown because the case is Vule corner and then natural restriction yala ipimvili Amapoisas at Kliptown hiyo mekmela cover corner. So I don't understand what Amapoisas was Eldos as a ganjan dan.
So we believe what's maybe ngababangani bakhe.
Yeah, possibly because they said he was calling the police. He was probably calling those police from Eldos.
Ulebu was missing for 3 days. No family member was contacted. Ulebu 3 days.
Missing how? Missing for 3 days.
No one knew from the family and the friends ukuthi Ulebu ubulewe. Uhlalile emafrijini
for how long?
Ushone Sunday. We only discovered Tuesday in Ntambama, late Tuesday, almost Wednesday.
Enzakele kuphi?
La eparking la izone 3 sinibonisa vele indawo yakhona.
So Ulebu bekumngani wena? Obekubhutweni.
This must like us. Just insana naye.
But the community nehamba neyikokotela ukuthi asihambeni siyeni police station because we need justice for uLona niyenza kanjani. So we'll come and support you ne. Sizoguide usizwe ukuthi what are the right processes so that siyenze ukuthi ibe into enkulu. It cannot be correct ukuthi ithwilile akekho umuntu okhuluma ngayo this thing. Ikhona nje kuma social media but akekho umuntu oyikhulumayo. Emaphoyiseni kumele sibe safe, yibe kumele bas protect and not the other way around. Akumelanga sibe ama victim wamaphoyisa.